Hello everyone, welcome back to T4. I'm John and I picked up this 980 Ti off of eBay for $35, and as you can see it's very dirty. Let's see if we can get in closer here. It's very dirty, and I wanted to see, is this a good 1080p medium settings? This is a 6 gigabit card. Is this going to be good coming into 2024? However, as you can tell, as I showed you earlier, it's very dirty. I want to test it in firm mark. We're going to test it dirty as is, like it is, check the temperatures, and then we're going to clean it up. I'll bring you along for that. And then we'll test it afterwards, after we clean it up, and check those temperatures as well. So come hang out with me. We're going to put it in this i7 14700K computer. I'm going to pull out the 2080 Ti that's in there and put this in there, and let's get to testing it. I'll see you on the flip side. Alright, welcome back. I have Firmark open. As you can see right here, it shows the 980 Ti. Right now it's at 33 degrees Celsius, 6% TDP. Got it on 1080p preset, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit go and check that out. I want to see what that temperature comes up to. As you can see at the bottom, we're already at 60 degrees, 62, 64. Already hitting 70 degrees Celsius. All right, we're at 77, 78, 82 so far. Pushing that card. 83. Will we see 90 before the end of the test? All right. So now it's hot. We're going to do it again after I hit submit on that. We're going to do it again. I want to get that temperature going up. We're already at 81. Already at 85, 86. We're going to run it probably 2 more times. $86 degrees. It looks like we're stabling out right there. 87 max. We'll see how it goes. We'll do it 1 more time after this. All right, almost done. It's still at 86 degrees Celsius. All right, we'll hit OK, and we're gonna do it again. I want to see if that temperature goes above 87 degrees Celsius. Currently at 84. $85. Looks like we hit 86 as our max this time. And now that test is almost done. 87. Hit 87 max, as you can see right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. CPU speed 3417. I think it all looks pretty good. So our maximum frame was 103, minimum 99, average 100. All right. So now it's time to clean up the GPU, and I'll show you that in just a second. All right, so we have the 980 Ti. We're going to take it apart. I have where the screws go. I've kind of outlined it all right here. So I'll put those in there. I've got our Grizzly Cryonaut thermal grease that we'll be using. Got my isopropyl alcohol from Walgreens. Got Q-tips. Everything's ready to go. And my handy dandy screwdriver. So let's get this cracking. I'm very excited to open this up and clean it all out and check the temperatures. I'm hoping for maybe 2 to 3 degrees difference, but we'll see what happens. I'm very curious. Let's get all this going. You don't want to lose your screws or put them in the wrong order. That's why I always suggest using the cardboard trick. I've labeled it top and forward just so we don't lose anything, and we put it right back where it needs to go. Nothing sophisticated. Cardboard box will do you just fine. All right. Oop, put that in the wrong one. That goes on the bottom. There we go. There, that goes right there. Here. There. In there. And now the big ones. This is probably what holds the CPU or the die. There we go. There we go. We'll do opposite. Okay, that is everything taken off of that. So now we'll see if this card comes off. See, there's a couple more screws right here. I think it's this one right here. We'll go ahead and put that in there. Okay. There we go. Don't want to forget about these connectors, so be careful when you're taking them off. Okay, and this, I'm gonna have to swing this around. I don't want it to come apart. Why aren't you coming out? Come on. come out? There we go. And now we'll get this one out as well. There we go. And there it is. So we got thermal pads, thermal paste, which looks pretty dry. We'll go ahead and set this off to the side. And then we got this right here. We're going to further take this apart so we can clean it out because it is a blower fan style. And we need to clean all this out. So that one screw goes right here. All right, let me put that in there. 1 second, everyone. Don't want to forget to put that back in there. Now I'm going to grab one more box for the top. There we go. All right, now I've got another piece of cardboard. Let's take this apart. Let me... Okay. All right, those three are off. Didn't look like it did much. It looks like we need a torque bit for the sides. Let me see if I got a torque bit real quick. That one's too small. May have to go to the garage and get one. Let me double check that. Yeah, that's too big. Be right back. All right, got an Allen key for this, and we're going to take this all apart. Okay, got that right there. Put that right there. Don't want to lose that. Okay, now we got these up top. These are a smaller Allen key. Had to get a different one. We almost got it all apart. There's two right here on the side as well, if you're trying to follow along to do your 980 Ti as well. Of course, this one's kind of stripped out. It looks like someone may have been in here before. Try to see if we can get that one in a second. We got two more on the side here. Okay. Oh. Wasn't trying to make that happen, but it's okay. Okay. So it looks like we got all of it except for... Oh, there goes that. There we go. All right. This is like the blower and all that. It is extremely dirty. I'm gonna blow that out. And then, as you can see, it's pretty dirty inside there as well. There we go. Gotta get this one screw out, but it looks like someone was in here at one point in time. So we'll see if I can get that off. So I can't get this screw out, so I'm gonna go into the garage and try. I'll also blow this out. You won't be able to see this. I'll go blow that out in the garage, clean all this out real quick, and then we will do the repaste together. This portion here, I'll clean all that up on camera and we'll get that going. All right, I was not able to get that screw out. However, I did clean it up very well. There's still a little stuff in here that I wasn't able to get out, but all the dust does settle down here and in here. I got out, and now we're gonna clean all this up right here and then reinstall this, which I cleaned out very well. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, it's very, very clean. Already clean where this touches the die. All right, so now we got a little cotton ball. We'll clean this up real quick. Okay. Now we'll dry this. Okay, that looks good. All right, now we're gonna reinsert this piece here. Goes like that. Oh, wrong way. There we go. And now I'm gonna reinstall these screws here. Actually, we'll do them on the sides. Those are where those big ones go. All right. Okay. We'll install this here. I'm gonna clean this off real quick so it's nice and cleaned up. There we go. Sorry I did that off camera. I just wanted to clean it up as fast as possible so we could get that reinstalled. I'm going to clean all this out too real quick. We're going to just clean all this up. Give it its best chance to perform. There we go. All right. There we go. Whoop, I dropped the screw. I'll get that. There we go. All right, these go right onto these 4 fan holes. And here. So we're going to install those. Let me make sure I got the right bit. Nope. All right. Let's find the right bit real quick. It says Allen key. There we go. I'm not putting them all the way down just so I can get everything in. Then we'll go back and tighten it all up. Okay. And if you enjoy this content, I understand I don't have the best production value. You know, go and hit that like, sub, so I can bring you better quality. I got lights coming, better lights. You know, got to start out small, as I don't have the biggest production value. You know, I got a limited budget, and that's what we got to work with, you know. Oh, you know what we didn't do? I gotta take that back off real quick. Oh no, we're good. Okay. We're all good there. Okay. That does not go there. This goes here. There we go. We need a different Allen key. Or different, yeah. I think this is it right here. Anyways, if you like this content, you know, consider subscribing. You know, it'll definitely help the channel out. And, you know, once we hit 500 subscribers, I can ask for memberships, and that will definitely help us get you more content faster. And I definitely want to do that. Did I leave a screw? So there it is. Okay. All right, now we'll tighten all this down real quick. Okay. There we go. All right, we'll check it one last time. Make sure it's all nice and tight. There it is. Okay, now we're going to put these side pieces back on. Just like that. That is an Allen key as well. Okay, gotta be kind of careful here. Oh, this is wrong side. My bad. Here we go. Okay. All right. There we go. Whoops. Okay, we're almost done assembling it all. There's that and that. We got 2 screws left on the side here. Got one right here, which we're going to put in right now. And that was a really tiny bit. Here we go. And then one on this side. Here we go. Whoops. All right, now that we got this all together, I'm going to put that to the side, and I'm going to bring you this. I am not going to replace the thermal pads, but I am going to clean this up, make it look all good to go. Okay. Okay, I got some Q-tips I'm going to clean this up with now. Okay, as you notice, there's a little piece hanging off right here that we're going to get so it doesn't impact anything. I'm just going to push that off to the side here and get that all cleaned off. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to come back in here with this again. Try to finish cleaning this off. The best we can. Okay. Get that all cleaned out. Okay. Just going to clean up these holes. There's massive amounts of dirt. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get everything out of there. It's non-conductive and it should be okay. I'm going to try to get it all the best I can now. Okay. I got some Grizzly Cryo Knot that we're going to put on here. Gonna give it a few seconds to dry. I've got something to dry it with here. There we go. Nice and clean. All right, here we go. I'll put a dot here, a dot there. There we go. Now, I am going to clean this little piece off right here. There we go. That should be as good as new. I'm going to give it a good brush down, make sure there's no more. There's a little bit of dust in some of these little areas. A little bit right here. A little bit right there. All right. There's a good amount of dirt on right there. Trying to get it off that. There we go. I am going to replace a couple, this one and this one here, because it's extremely dirty. Go ahead and do that. I'm going to look for the size. If you want to see the size, I'm going to match it up with what I got here. Okay. And all I do is I set it on top right here, get it the best I can, and then I'm going to cut it. Okay, and now we got our new piece here. All right, there we go. And I think we're okay right there. You know what? We're gonna replace this one as well. It's pretty dirty on there. And I'll just do the same thing, gonna match it up right there. And if you ever buy this stuff here, you can get it on Amazon. You can get a multiple pack, but there's plastic on each side. So make sure you take off the plastic on each side. Okay. There we go. I'm good with that. And now it's time to put the blower bag on. And 2 connections, make sure we connect them. I'm going to flip this card around like this. Okay. All right. Okay, it is on, and now we're going to start putting everything back together. So I'm going to flip it back around like we had it before and start putting everything in. First, we're going to put this screw right here in the middle in. Just switch out my bits real quick. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to flip it around and start putting everything back in. Gonna line everything up. All right, we're gonna continue on. Not going to tighten them all down until we get everything aligned and at least a few threads in. Okay. All right, we're almost done. Then we'll tighten all these up, and then we'll put in the 4 big ones, screws with springs on them, for where the die touches the heat sinks. So now I'm going to go in here, kind of catty corner. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go do these. And we got these now. So I'm gonna just get them put in. And then get it started. Each one started. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do 1 turn each side the best we can. Okay, one last time. There we go. All right, now that it's all together, we are going to test it on FurMark again, and then and look at the temperatures, and then go from there. All right, so I have it back installed. We got FurMark open. We got it on 1080p like last time, 1080p, anti-aliasing off, full screen, and here we go. It's warming up right now. Fix that, there we go. As you can see, it's already hit 60 degrees Celsius. .66. We're gonna run it probably 3 more times. It's already hit 73 and it's climbing. The fans are only at 70 or 32%. The core is at 1024 megahertz. All right. Just hit it again. Saturate it. There we go. All right, it's already at 81, 82. Remember last time we hit 87, so it hopefully will not hit 87 after we cleaned it all out and re-thermal paste it. 84, 85. The fans are increasing to, it's at 49%, 50. Core clock has gone down as well to 986 megahertz. Hit 85. All right. And we'll do it one more time. Well, we'll probably do it 2 more times. Keep it going here. All right, it's at 80 degrees Celsius, 81. .82. Pretty good run, 82, 83 degrees. .84. That was a pretty good run. We'll do it one more time. All right, here we go. So I noticed that it takes longer to get up to a higher temperature. It holds the core clock higher for longer. Even though it's going up to a high temperature, it's holding it longer. So that's better than before. I don't think you're going to see but maybe 1 frame extra per second, but that's about it. Hit 85 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's almost done. All right, pretty good score there. So I think it did help a little bit. It's holding the core clock higher for longer and taking a little bit longer to reach out that max temperature. We didn't see anything really over 85 degrees Celsius, so 2 degrees cooler. I'll take that. I appreciate you watching this video. I'm John and this is T4, and next episode will be of us playing video games on this. Thanks for watching. This is with the fan at 100%. I force applied it, and to see what that does to this test. Just keep it right under 1 gigahertz, 999. We've only hit 62 degrees Celsius. .62. That's a good score right there.